What are semi-solid products and what are the manufacturing processes of semi-solid products? The manufacturing of semi-solid pharmaceutical products involves the production of formulations such as creams, ointments, gels, pastes, and suppositories. These products are designed for topical, rectal, or vaginal administration and must meet pretty stringent quality, stability, and efficacy standards. Manufacturing semi-solid dosage formulation development. Selection of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs and excipients, for example, bases, emulsifiers, thickeners, and preservatives. Choice of vehicle base, whether hydrophobic, hydrophilic, or water emulsifying. Optimization of rheological properties, spreadability, and drug release. Raw material preparation, mixing, and homogenization. Semi-solid products are formulations that are neither liquid nor solid. They include creams, ointments, gels, pastes, and suppositories. They're used for skincare, drug delivery, and cosmetic treatments. Pharmaceutical semi-solids deliver medicine through the skin, while cosmetic versions focus on hydration, anti-aging, or sun protection. But how are they made? Let's find out! Step 1. Formulation and raw material prep. It all starts with a precise formula. Scientists select active ingredients, stabilizers, emulsifiers, and preservatives. Each ingredient must meet strict quality standards. Step 2 is mixing and homogenization. A high-speed mixer blends oils and water, and then a triple roller mill grinds the particles. There are different types of semi-solids like hydrophobic petroleum jelly, hydrophilic water-based creams, and emulsions such as lotion. Welcome to our behind-the-scenes look at the fascinating world of semi-solid pharmaceutical manufacturing. Today we're pulling back the curtain on how your favorite creams, ointments, and gels are made. From the lab to your medicine cabinet, we'll explore the science, technology, and precision that go into every tube and jar. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. So, first up, what exactly are semi-solid products? These are formulations that fall somewhere between liquids and solids on the consistency spectrum. Think of your go-to moisturizer, that antibiotic ointment in your first aid kit, or even the cooling aloe vera gel you use after a day in the sun. Semi-solids come in various forms, including creams, ointments, gels, pastes, and even suppositories. They're not just for skincare. These versatile products actually play a crucial role in drug delivery and cosmetic treatments as well. Semi-solids can be categorized into three main types. We have hydrophobic formulations like petroleum jelly, which repel water. Then there are hydrophilic products, typically water-based creams that blend easily with your skin. And let's not forget emulsions like your favorite body lotion, which combine both oil and water components. Now let's dive into the heart of our topic, the manufacturing process of semi-solid pharmaceuticals. It all starts in state-of-the-art facilities where cleanliness and precision are, honestly, absolutely paramount. So, the first step is selecting and preparing the raw materials. This includes the active pharmaceutical ingredients, which provide the therapeutic effect, and excipients that help with consistency, stability, and absorption. These ingredients are carefully measured and mixed in large stainless steel vessels. The mixing process is crucial. It's not just stirring. Specialized equipment like high-shear mixers and homogenizers are used to ensure uniform distribution of all components. Temperature control is key here. Some ingredients might need to be melted or heated to achieve the right consistency, while others require cooling to maintain their properties. For emulsion-based products, the process gets even more interesting. Oil and water phases are prepared separately and then combined using powerful emulsifiers. This creates that smooth, creamy texture we all love in our lotions and creams. The emulsification process often involves high-speed mixing and rapid temperature changes to create a stable product. Once the basic formulation is mixed, it's time for any additional ingredients. This could include fragrances, colors, or extra active ingredients. These are carefully added and blended to ensure they're evenly distributed throughout the product. Next up is the filling stage. The mixed product is transferred to a filling machine which dispenses precise amounts into tubes, jars, or other containers. This process is often automated to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Some products might undergo a final mixing or homogenization step right before filling to maintain that perfect consistency. But we're not done yet. After filling, the products move on to packaging. This isn't just about making things look pretty on the shelf. Proper packaging is crucial for maintaining the product's stability, preventing contamination, and ensuring it reaches you in perfect condition. For many semi-solid pharmaceuticals, airless pumps or sealed tubes are used to protect the contents from air and bacteria. Throughout this entire process, quality control is paramount. Samples are taken at various stages for testing. This includes checks for consistency, pH levels, active ingredient concentration, and, of course, microbial contamination. Sophisticated analytical techniques like chromatography and spectroscopy are used to ensure each batch meets strict quality standards. The pharmaceutical industry is heavily regulated, and semi-solid products are no exception. Manufacturers must, adhere to good manufacturing practices, GMP, set by regulatory bodies like the FDA. These guidelines, they cover everything from facility design and equipment maintenance to personnel training and documentation procedures. Every step of the manufacturing process is, honestly, meticulously documented. This creates a paper trail that allows for full traceability from raw materials to the finished product on your shelf. It's all part of ensuring that when you pick up that tube of medicated cream or jar of moisturizer, you can trust in its safety and efficacy. So, the next time you squeeze out some ointment or smooth on your favorite face cream, just take a moment to appreciate the complex science and rigorous processes behind it. From carefully selected ingredients to state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques and stringent quality controls, a lot really goes into creating these seemingly simple products. It's a perfect blend of science, technology, and precision, all working together to bring you effective and safe semi-solid pharmaceuticals and cosmetics. Who knew your medicine cabinet could be so fascinating?